Hey guys, it's me, Alicia, aka Voted Best Hair. Thank you so much for joining me back on my channel if you're a returning subscriber. And if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming on today. So I know it has been quite a while since I've done a video. It's been absolutely crazy at work and just everything that we have going on here at home. So it's been a challenge to film videos, but I finally have some time. Some me time, and I can take a moment to get into this and just tell you guys all the exciting things that are going on in our lives. My big news is that my husband and I bought a house. Yay! Hey guys!
Hey.
So, Sharif and I just bought a new house. We went under contract on a new house like last week, and it's new construction, so we are headed to the house right now. It's like just started framing, so we're gonna check it out, and we thought we would vlog this experience for you guys, but also for us, so that we have the memories. So come join us. So we were not really looking for a new house at all, not actively looking. We knew that eventually we would want a new home, and we knew that we want to start a family and all those things, so we were going to need more space. We live in a 3-bedroom townhome now. It's really like a 2-bedroom because one of the bedrooms is Sharif's office. And this was, his bachelor pad. So this was his home before I, was ever even a thought in his head. So it has served us well for, the time that we've been here, but we're definitely kind of growing out of it. So I have to give it up to my husband because he was really, kind of looking online and all that good stuff and stumbled across this house. And, he showed it to me, and I looked at it, and I just was like, oh yeah, that's nice. Not thinking about it at all. So unbeknownst to me, he went and drove and took a look at it. He ended up calling the listing agent and getting more information on it, and then he brought me in on it. So one Sunday afternoon, my husband's like, oh, I want to show you something, and we drove over to this area, not too far from where we live now, but kind of like a hidden gem in Baltimore, and I fell in love with the area. It's in the city, but you get a sense of suburbia. It's in a little cul-de-sac. The house that we're gonna be buying sits right on the cul-de-sac, which is always a dream of mine. So the criteria for the house that we wanted, you guys, Sharif, being from Baltimore, always wanted to live in the city. We wanted at least 4 bedrooms. I really wanted an open concept, for entertaining. I wanted to live on a cul-de-sac, and you guys, I wanted new construction. And this house had all of that. Just amazing. So, we were just kind of blown away. And we walked away that day this is the house that God saved for us. We knew that it was our house that day. Now, mind you guys, we've never looked at anything else. We've never looked at any other houses seriously. Maybe online, but we've never looked at any other houses because this is it. This is the one. So we didn't expect them to be working on it on a Sunday, but they're actually here working on it.
Let's show it to them. Come on. Yeah, turn around. Let me see it. See, there they go. See? See that new construction? That's our new house being built, y'all. New construction. Ain't God awesome?
You can see back there.
Yeah.
So, obviously we go ahead and get pre-approved, and when I just say that everything just kind of fell into place, financially, it was nothing but God. Then we contacted our real estate agent, who really, when I say she's a real estate agent, it's not she had been looking for homes for us all this time or anything like that. She's a good friend of ours, and I always knew that she would be our real estate agent, but she's never showed us anything. So we got her involved. And then we decided to, you know, check out some of the other homes in the area just to see the quality of construction. We started like talking to all the neighbors to get, you know, all the tea. We talked to one of the neighbors who had recently just bought with that same builder, and just, you know, wanted to get an understanding of the process and how it worked for them and how, you know, how they like their home. And so we did like all of our homework and all that good stuff. And then we were like, all right, let's put in an offer. So we put in a very, you know, aggressive offer, and they came back with a counter offer. So we agreed on the counter offer, and then we went under contract. And I mean, it happened like that. Like, I blinked and we were under contract for a house. So just amazing how it all played out.
So there's our house, guys. They got the roof up.
So the house was already under roof, so the foundation was already laid, and they were already starting to like actually build the house, but we were going to be able to select all the finishes. So that that process was fun. So I had worked for builders in the past and knew kind of like the process that they would normally take. You know, you go to design center, they have like 5 things that you can choose from, and that's it. Well, with this, it was totally different. This builder is a smaller builder. They only build a few homes a year. So we had the opportunity to really just pick every single thing for our house by going to like Lowe's and Home Depot. Hey guys.
Hey.
So it is
Today.
a week from the last video.
Yeah. April 19th, 18th.
Yeah, today's the 19th. And on Friday, right? We had our pre-construction meeting.
Yeah.
And we got to actually meet with the builder and the general contractor and just kind of go through everything. And we've been spending the last couple of days researching online for all the different finishes that we want in our home. We've been going to Home Depot. We've been searching on Home Depot and Lowe's, and today we're actually going to go to those stores so we can actually touch and feel everything that we've been seeing online. So yeah, so it's really cool because we actually get to pick all of this stuff out, and it's a lot, but it's gonna be really fun. We get to hand pick every little what's the word I'm looking for?
Item.
Every item is going to be special to our home because we picked it.
Yeah. Flooring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So come with us as we go on this journey. It was a bit overwhelming at first, but it was cool, you know, and it was a great bonding experience for us. All this was happening, and obviously all this is happening during the quarantine. So like every Sunday we would go to Lowe's with our masks on and everything, and and so I mean, there was really nothing else for us to do, so we spent most of our days in Lowe's and Home Depot picking out all of our finishes. We also had our pre-drywall inspection. We had our home inspector come to also check, you know, to make sure everything looked good. I totally recommend you having your own home inspector to come into the house to make sure everything looks good. And then things kind of like got a little slow. You know, they had to get all their permits, electrical, and all that stuff done. But now we have been in drywall for about 2 weeks now. So things are really gonna start picking up, and we're super, super excited. So you guys, they started putting siding on our house.
That looks like a dark brown.
Yay! They're gonna paint it. They'll paint it black.
Yeah.
We are thinking that we are going to be in the house by August, end of August, early September. I'm saying early September. So we really want to document this whole experience. Now that we're in drywall, things are really going to start picking up really quickly. So I really want to show you guys that process. obviously once we move in, it's gonna be, you know, decorate videos and all that kind of stuff. I really love that kind of stuff myself. I love watching those kind of videos, so I would love to make them, and I hope that they are received well. I know that this channel has, you know, started off as like a natural hair channel, but it is going to be evolving. You know, getting older. By the way, I just turned 40. I didn't even say that. But obviously, I'm evolving. The things that I enjoy are changing, and home decor and, you know, all that stuff is what I'm really into right now. So I'm super excited for this experience, and I hope that you guys will enjoy this type of content from me. So yeah, so that is what's been going on in our lives. Again, we're beyond excited and just feel so blessed to have this wonderful, wonderful blessing. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more videos on new construction and home decor, please give me the thumbs up. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you're not already a subscriber, subscribe to my channel. It's free. Oh. All right, so until next time, guys, seize your destiny and have fun doing it.